Chop wood, carry water. A young entrepreneur, exhausted from years of effort, finally achieved what he had always dreamed of. His company had grown rapidly, investors were impressed, and his name began to circulate among industry leaders. Still, something felt off. He had imagined that success would feel like crossing a finish line, a moment where the struggle ended and life became easier, lighter, more meaningful. Instead, his days were still filled with meetings, decisions, customer issues, and operational problems. Confused, he sought out a Zen master and asked, "What is life like after success? After you've reached your goal?" The master, who lived simply in a quiet place, looked at him and said, "Before understanding, I chop wood and carry water." The entrepreneur nodded, waiting for more. And after understanding, the master continued, "I chop wood and carry water." The entrepreneur frowned. "I don't understand. What changes then?" The master smiled. "Nothing changes, and everything changes," he explained. "The work remains. The actions remain, but the relationship to the work transforms. Before you carry the weight of expectation, fear, and desire. After you simply do what must be done." The entrepreneur sat quietly, letting the words sink in. Entrepreneurial reflection. Many founders believe that success will eliminate the grind. They imagine a future where systems run themselves, problems disappear, and they can finally relax. But every stage of growth brings new challenges. Early on, it's survival. Later, it's scaling. Then it's competition, culture, and sustainability. The tasks may evolve, but the essence of the work remains: solving problems, making decisions, showing up consistently. What changes is not the workload, but your mindset. When you stop chasing a future moment where everything will feel complete, you begin to engage fully with the present. The routine tasks, emails, product tweaks, customer calls are no longer obstacles on the way to success. They are the work itself. And in that realization, the burden often becomes lighter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click on the bell button and subscribe to the channel for more videos.